5 tools. Number 1, stapler, mini stapler, nail cutter, which is important for regular use. This is a tester, electronic screwdriver. This is a big stapler. No, medium stapler. And this is a plus, which is for electronics equipment. And also this is a small stapler and teeny stapler, which is very nice for use, very useful, and also which is very official, usable product, and very useful. And this is a tester screwdriver, and also this is a nail cutter, which is very important for our remove our nail from hand and foot. Okay, and then next is a screwdriver. Screwdriver is a very important for our regular use in our home and electronics uses. Or electronics means electrician, very important, very important for this, and electricians use very well. And this is a medium stapler, which is very use of official use and ordinary product of fish. And this is a electronics plus of tools, very important for electrician and regular use. Okay, thank you very much for our video, and thank you for our watching for our video. And this product, these 5 tools is very important for our regular use. Thank you.